Hello. So in this video, I'm going to go over the installation process and the maintenance for the application. So to install the application, we got to do some installation. So let me go over this. Let me go over the process. Let me go over the step. And the first step should be to clone the repository. So in order to clone the repository, we got to do this. Let me show you. You're gonna open up a terminal window, and you're gonna go to a repository. You're gonna click here on the code, and then you're gonna copy the URL link. Once you copy the link, then you're gonna go to the terminal window. Then you're gonna, if you wanna, you can clone the repository any place you feel like comfortable. You feel like you're gonna find the documents and all that stuff. And I'm gonna do it right here on the home directory. So to make it more simple. So the following commands is like this: G clone, and then you paste the link. So you press enter, and then it should download the repository to your computer. But I'm not gonna do it because I already have it in my computer, so I'm just gonna skip that one, that step. So once you download the repository to your computer, the next step will be to download Node.js. So you should go to Google, search Node.js, and it should be the first link or the second link. In my case, it's the second link. So you click on Node.js, and it should take you to this page. So you might ask, what is Node.js? Node.js is like a runtime JavaScript that allows you to compile JavaScript. So we need Node.js to run the application, and also Node.js comes with a npm, because we need the npm to install some package. So yeah. So here, what you need to do is just need to download the latest version of Node.js. In this case, is for 14.7, the current one. You click here, and it should download it. So I'm not gonna click it. I'm not gonna download it because I already have it in my computer. So, but you should do it because, but I mean the installation process is super easy. So I'm not gonna go over it because it's very simple. So yeah. So once you have downloaded the Node.js, then the next step should be you go back to the terminal window, or you open a new terminal window, and make sure you are in the home directory to do this first. So make sure you're in the home directory. So you're gonna do the following commands, which is sudo npm install -g expo -clear, and this command, what we'll do, it will install the expo command line tools. We need the expo command line tools to run the application. So you're gonna press enter, and it kind of asks me for my password. So I'm gonna put my password. Oh, it sounds like I did the wrong one. Now it should start downloaded. So yeah, so as you can see, start downloading the Expo package that we need for the application. This is gonna take a while to download it. So in the meantime, we're just gonna do something else. Okay. So so the next step should be to go to your home directory. So wait, let me see if I can go here. Open up another terminal. Another terminal window. Let's open up. No, opening the terminal. So let's just wait until this thing is finished. It should be fast. Like it's downloaded everything. There you go. So the Expo tools has been finished, as you can see. So once you download the Expo tool command, the next step should be open up the repository that you just downloaded from JHub. So to do that, you go to the repository. In my case, I downloaded here in the home directory. As you can see, it's mom, infant, healthy. So you want to go to that folder. So you do cd moms infant healthy, and then you enter. You go to that directory, and then after that, then you just want to open up any editor. In my case, I'm just gonna use Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna go open it, and it should open my Visual Studio Code. There you go. So if you want to download the Visual Studio Code, I recommend you to go to Google and search Visual Studio Code, and you can download it, and it should be the first link or the second link. In my case, it's the second link. You click it, and it should take you to the installation process. I'm gonna show you. So it should take you to this page, and then just press download it. And so since I'm on my Mac, it should tell me download it from Mac. But if you're on a Windows, it should say Window. So you click it here, and the installation process is very simple. And I believe this is like one of the best editors on the market, and it's for free. So I recommend to download it to use it. So so let's go back to the installation process. So once you open up the editor, you're gonna have all the folders, all the files from the application. So mostly you're gonna be working on the source code here in the SRC folder. You're gonna open it, and then you're gonna see a components. So here in this folder, you're gonna have all the components. As you can see, there's a lot of components and a lot of files. So I would recommend you to go over and start like learning like how do all those files work. As you can see, they're kind of like all clean, neat. We try our best to make it all clean, unique, and readable. And yeah, I mean, I will recommend you to start like go over the code and start like reading the like trying to understand how does this work, and like learn JavaScript, React, and Firebase. Yeah, so yeah. So okay, so now that you open up the repository, the editor with so the following step will be to install the dependency. So you want to install all the dependency to run the application. So to do that, since we have so much dependency, it's going to take a while. So the following command will be npm install, and then you press enter, and it should start downloading all the dependency that has the package JSON. So yeah. In my case, it's going to be a little faster because I already have all my dependencies here on my computer. So it should be fast. It should be quickly. So yeah, like I was saying, like I will recommend you to start looking at the coding, start learning JavaScript and React, and start playing with the code. So okay, as you can see, the installation has been finished. So let me clean this just to okay. So once you download the npm install, once you download like the dependencies, then it should be good to run. So in order to run the app, in order to start the app, you should do the following command, which is expo star, and you press enter. But I'm not gonna do it because I already have it running before, so it should be like, oh, let me show you. It should be like this. It should kind of give you this barcode. Let me make this bigger. It should kind of give you this barcode. And another thing, oh, by the way, another thing, I mean, you're gonna have this this warning saying, oh, you need to install the latest Expo installation. I will recommend you not to install the latest Expo, because you might have a chance that if you download the latest Expo, you might have like issues, conflict on the way to I mean when you download it. So I will recommend you to just stick to the current version, and just kind of ignore this, because I mean either way the app is gonna work. So you don't need to install the latest Expo. And also, like, since like the latest Expo, it's not compatible with some of the dependencies that we have here. So yeah, so that's one other reason. So you should have this barcode, and once you run the application, it should kind of open up a browser window just like this. Let me show you. Oh, there you go. It should be like this. So here, once you have this browser window open, here is like they give you the options to how do you want to run the application. You want to run on the Android emulator, iOS simulator, or you can also download it on your phone by scanning this barcode. So if you want to run it on your phone, which I recommend you to do it because it's more faster. In my case, you should download this application, this app on your phone, which is called Expo Tools. So you should go to your phone, like on your iPhone or Android that you have, or wherever you wherever type of iPhone, wherever phone you have, and look for Expo tools on the App Store or on the Google Play, and you should download this application, which is Expo Client for Android and iOS. So they have available for Android and iOS app. So once you have that, then you're good to go to scan the barcode, and then it should run the app in your phone. But if you just want to open up on the simulator or emulator for iOS, I will recommend you to use SCIS, the SCIS software that give you this beautiful emulator. So this is the app. This is what the application looks like once you run it. So since I already run it on the iOS simulator, it should look like this. As you can see, it's kind of beautiful background. So yeah, and if you want to run it on the Android device and the emulator, I would recommend you to downloading Android Studio. So you go to Google Android Studio and you go to this link and you just download the process. I think the download process should be easy. If you have any issues downloading the Android Studio, just search on YouTube how to download it and use the simulator. There's so many resources out there to do this. So I'm not gonna go over it because the video is gonna be that long if I go over every single detail. So yeah, so once you run the application, you should have this login session. So in this case, on your first time, you should on your first time, you should sign up like, hey, and you swipe up to sign up. Oh, I don't know why it's not working. Wait, issue. Right. Let me see another thing. Yeah. So I will recommend you to sign up so you can create a new account. But since I already have a account, I'm just gonna put my credentials. Yeah, let me just log in, sign in. Oh, something happened to the app. So let me restart the app again. Okay, so let me put my credential again. So there you go. So as you can see, I'm already here on the home page. Welcome, Kevin. the clinic, the shelter, the learning. Oh, so if you have this arrow on your simulator, it's because sometimes it won't recognize the location through on the map. So just kind of dismiss it. As you can see, it start like loading because I cannot find the location of this simulator. But you should be fine. Like if you use your phone, you should be fine. You're gonna see the map here. So yeah. So as you can see, we have shelter, learning, resources, and the setting. I mean, so yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Like I mean, that's how you download the application. Another thing. Oh, by the way, another thing. If you make any changes here, then it's gonna show here through here, like light through here, like automatically. So yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm pretty sure I went over all the installation process. And what else should cover out? I mean, I would say just go over the applications, just go over the app and start like read the comments, like the what each function they do. And the app.js is where it all starts. So this is what is gonna start all the app. So as you can see, it has the login with the email password, get cookies. Yeah, and yeah, just learn how to do this, like the homepage, forget password, setting screen, sign up, the login. So yeah, all of that has a component of the screen. So yeah, well,